Hi, to use Google Assistant on lock screen of your Vivo V40, as a first step, we would need to go in the settings, and here just scroll a bit to check the Google tab. After that, from the recommended section, we need to switch to all services, and here select the section Search, Assistant and Voice. So now simply select your Google Assistant, and after that set it up in this Hey Google and the voice match. So you need to enable the Hey Google and then go in this retrain mode, and here say out loud wherever you'll see on the screen. So after that, we just need to go in the lock screen section when all is set up and enable these assistant responses on lock screen. And now we can trigger Google on our lock screen. So let's try this out. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow?
In Prague 3, it'll be cloudy.
And yeah, it's working. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.